Want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why am I how the time changed? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the tone. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. I like when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why am I all the time change? You still talking about babies and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah. But that you call and you talk to a girl. I'll share my world with you. If you don't waste your time, yeah. Waste your time with me. I mean honestly. If you're gonna lose giving you what I need. If you got time to waste differently. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time with me, waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste differently. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. It get plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon? Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimists, gold medalists, flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped them, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach Benz with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, but that come with being attached. So how about we leave it at that?
Hello my elite fam, welcome back to the channel. I am just now doing an introduction. I just wanted you guys to spend the evening with me, and yeah, I am upstairs now about to go get out these clothes, take me a nice hot shower. I finished eating and everything, and I'm gonna chill for the rest of the night. Probably do a little editing if I can try to get this vlog out tomorrow. But I did want to show you this watch that I got from Amazon. Some vlogs back I did a review on this watch from Amazon. This is the same, pretty much the same thing, but it is a different brand, and it does pretty much all the same things where you can do all your call logs, your training. It is a fitness tracker, and I'm going to go ahead and give the black one to my daughter because I know that the nickel, or it doesn't have a nickel in there, so it won't break her wrist out. We've had issues where, like, even the Apple Watches, it was like breaking our skin out. This one I wear every single day, haven't had any issues with it. Very hypoallergenic, I guess is what you would call it, or it does not have that type of metal in it that breaks out your skin. So this one I got in this, I think it's called grass green. Super cute, and I figured I'll give her the black one instead of giving her this one because I don't know how the material is, and it'll kind of, well, I guess it don't really go with my jade, but it's gonna go with my jade. And I will run like a little demo on there once I start it up. The only difference I'm seeing right now is the metal clasp on the black one. This one has a plastic clasp on there, but they pretty much look the same material in the band as well. Yeah, So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up and I will show you. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog for the evening, and thank you guys again for hanging out with me today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Make sure you hit the like button for me, guys, and leave a comment. Just say hey, you know, throw a little heart up in there or something. Trying to get my videos pushed out into the algorithm. I'm doing everything that the so-called big YouTubers say you're supposed to do. You know, all the tips and tricks and how you're supposed to post every single day. Yeah. Oh, one more thing, y'all. That's why I'm all hyped up still. Has anybody out there that's watching my channel right now tried this G Fuel? My daughter drinks it all the time, and I said, let me try it out. And as y'all can see, my mouth is going 100 miles an hour, and it is 6:30. Usually I be on wind down, laying down, watching TV in relax mode. I'm still a little hyped up. They say it had like 300 milligrams of caffeine in it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to drink that again. Maybe earlier in the day I can drink it. But the taste on there, I don't know. They have different flavors. The one she had in the refrigerator was peach. It was okay. I don't know if it was the aki fish or whatever that I was eating earlier gave me like the aftertaste with the peach, or if it was the peach that was giving me an aftertaste, but it was all right. But let me know in the comments below if you've tried it before, or if you want to try it. If you do, let me know how you felt after taking it or drinking it. So y'all, I'll catch you in the next vlog. Bye.